I'm gonna try to cook a rack of ribs on this little itty bitty Weber grill. Yep, I'm gonna try to do it on this guy right here. So this is the Weber Go Anywhere grill. I just got it. I put those little wood handles on. My son actually whittled those sticks, and so I just put those on so I have a little more control. So here's what we got going on. We've got the coals all on that side, a few chunks of wood, and then the ribs there. We'll see if it works. All right, here's the big reveal. Oh, wow. Let's see how they bend. Oh, well, that looks pretty good. It's a little bit of pull right there. I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit them on that little thing, but I trimmed off one little one there and a big chunk there, which was a bummer. All right, I guess the next test will be taste test. Oh my God, those might be some of the better ribs that I've made. Okay, I am honestly blown away. These are fantastic. I didn't foil them. I didn't have a little tray in there next to the coals with apple cider or anything like that. I didn't dry rub them for hours before. I wasn't even gonna cook them because I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to cook them on that little tiny grill. But I decided, shit, why not? Let's try it. So threw some dry rub on them, fired up the thing with one full mini chimney of lumpwood charcoal, threw a couple chunks of wood in there. I don't even know what kind of wood it was because it was in a box called Mix. Scraps, I don't know. I had the coals along the one side. I tried to indirect as much as possible, but of course there's gonna be a hotter side. So what I did is I did 30 minutes, then I rotated, then another 30 minutes. This is meat side down. Then I flipped them over and I did 30 minutes. I spun them around and I did 30 minutes. Then I just tried to ride it out low and slow as long as I could until the coals sort of died down. Worked out to be about 3 hours, I think, when I was all done. Okay, I also have to say this. I didn't buy fancy rub. It's for chicken. It's a chicken rub. And I also didn't buy really fancy barbecue sauce. It's Trader Joe's barbecue sauce. They're phenomenal. I mean, look. There's a smoke ring. I don't think I ever got a smoke ring on my expensive electric smoker. I mean, these are just delicious. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it on that little thing. It's not gonna work if you got a big crew, but if it's you and a couple people, or just you, like it is me, I can't believe it. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh, jeez.